Kiwi is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, and fiber. It is also low in calories and fat, making it a nutrient-dense fruit that can contribute to a healthy diet. Regular consumption of kiwi can help strengthen the immune system, protect against common illnesses, and aid in faster recovery. Kiwi is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. The presence of enzymes like actinidin in kiwi can also aid in breaking down proteins, improving overall digestion. Kiwi contains a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting against cellular damage.